How to create a new directory or files in Plesk File Manager. Log into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click on the Files option. On the left side of this interface, there is a list of directories. Click to open the directory where you want to create a new file or a directory. For instance, click on the HTTP docs directory. In the File Manager interface, there are options at the top bar that perform different tasks. Go and click on the plus sign to open the drop-down list and then click to select Create Directory option. Give a name to your directory and click OK. The directory has been created. Similarly, you can select Create File option from the drop-down list and give a name, with an extension, to your file. When ready, click OK. The HTML file has been created. Now you know how to create a new directory or files. Thank you for watching.